Now let us download PyCharm. Okay, let us go to JetBrains official site. Okay, now let us click on download button. Okay, now let us look for community edition. Okay, now we didn't find the community edition, right? Now JetBrains has merged both the community and professional version together, and they called it as unified product. And when we download PyCharm unified version, we will get all the features. That is only for 30 days. That is only for 30 days. And after 30 days, the pro features will remain as it is, and the paid features will be removed automatically. Okay, let us download the PyCharm unified version. This will take a while. Let us wait for some time. Okay, it is downloaded now. Let us quickly install. Okay, let us click on next. Let us install. Let us choose the destination folder. Click on next. And if you want to add the shortcuts, add. I will create a shortcut in desktop. Okay, let us click on next. Select install.